Alright, I'm going to be showing you the easiest and quickest way to clean your garbage disposal. It only takes about 2 minutes, maybe 2.5, and all you need is some dish soap. First thing you do, turn your hot water on. You're going to let that run for about a minute, minute and a half to loosen up whatever's in there. Alright, so what you're going to want to do after you've had that running for a little bit is go ahead and bring it down to a trickle. Take your dish soap, pour a generous amount into the disposal. And then go ahead and turn it on. Quick and easy, and then that foam will go away very shortly, and you can rinse some of that out too. There you have it. 2.5, 3 minutes, and you got a clean disposal.